Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys had an awesome day trading today, as always. What I thought I'd do today is talk a little bit more about a closed-end fund that I like. Over the past couple weeks or so, I've been talking about PHK and some of the negative characteristics associated with that fund. A closed-end fund with an insanely high premium of 40 to 50%, trading below its net asset value. For you guys that don't know what that refers to, take a look at a video I put out yesterday talking about net asset value compared to the share price, as well as giving a return of capital within its dividend payment. Again, I put a video out about that last week as well. So very, very negative with regards to two important characteristics regarding the fund. And a lot of you guys have been asking, what are some good high-end, closed-end funds that would be appropriate to invest in? So I thought I'd kind of talk about one here, have up on screen here, PCI, PIMCO Dynamic Credit and Management Incorporated, from the same company, same line of closed-end funds as the PHK fund, but this fund has completely different characteristics. So first and foremost, the net asset value is much higher than the share price. So the value of all the underlying securities divided by the number of shares is actually more than what you can buy the fund for. So you're essentially getting a discount on your investment. And typically with this particular closed-end fund, you're looking at anywhere from a 6 to 10% discount, and it typically is trading around a 9 to 10% discount. So you are essentially investing in a fund that is trading less than what its assets are worth. The other important part about this particular fund is that the dividend distribution is completely all from income from the fund. So there's no return of capital. So you're not eroding the share price or simply paying yourself back money that you've already spent on the fund itself. All the income that is generated, and this has a monthly dividend, by the way, all the monthly income generated is from its underlying securities. And you can see there it's got a great dividend yield at 9.438%. So not only does this fund trade at a discount with regards to its net asset value, it also is giving a dividend that is a true dividend. So that 9.438% monthly dividend is actually all income generated by the fund itself. So this is a very good fund. I'm thinking about maybe getting into this fund a bit. A lot of my stocks are a little bit more low risk. So typically I invest in high dividend yielding blue chip companies that have a high market capitalization. Things like Pfizer and Ford and so on and so forth. But these closed-end funds can provide very good monthly income. They have great dividend yields. And with this particular fund, it's got some great characteristics, like I said, again, with the net asset value being less than what the share price is, as well as the dividend yield being completely from income, no return of capital within this particular stock. So yeah, just kind of wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. PCI, a very, very good closed-end fund with some great characteristics that make it a very good longer-term buy. I don't think any of these closed-end funds are great long-term buys, but for a year or so, with a good monthly dividend, these are okay to invest in. So let me know what you guys think about these closed-end funds, especially the ones that trade at a discount and don't have any return of capital within their dividend payment. Do you think these funds are good long-term plays or not? Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm still unclear if these are good long-term plays or not. They are very risky. This one, for example, invests in a lot of high-yielding bonds, so junk bonds. Securities are a little bit more risky, and it's also a leveraged fund as well. So over the next year or so, as the Fed tightens down, I think there's 3 scheduled interest rate hikes for this next year here. This could get a little bit dicey with regards to these funds, especially this fund here that's leveraged. But again, it has a great net asset value compared to its share price, and it does not have any return of capital in its dividend. So a little bit better than PHK, but again, with the Fed tightening down over the next year, with interest rates rising, this may become a little bit more of a risky play. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these funds. And yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel, learning a ton. I hope you guys are learning as well. If you guys have any questions about this fund or any other funds, let me know. Always looking for new video ideas, new stocks to take a look at, as well as investment strategies. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys later.